We replaced our 11-year-old tires with a set of Cooper Discoverer AT3 XLTs. Welcome to the Hippie Geeks. Let's dig into this tire review. We recently bought a 1977 Jeep CJ5, and to be honest, we should not have driven it home. This 4-digit number here tells us that these tires were made in March of 2009, which makes these tires more than 11 years old. Manufacturers recommend replacing tires after 6 years, and the tire shops will not touch tires over 10 years old. That's right, the tire shop wouldn't even put one of these back onto a spare rim. I know because I tried. They don't look terrible from a distance, and the sidewalls don't have any of the cracking that you will typically see in old, worn-out tires. However, if you look in between the treads, there is some pretty bad cracking all around the tire. This isn't safe, and we knew we needed to replace them sooner rather than later. After doing way too much research, I settled on the Cooper Discoverer AT3 XLT all-terrain tire. They come in 33 by 12.5 by 15, have amazing reviews, and most importantly, they have a massive 60,000 mile warranty. I am not sure how they can offer that kind of warranty on an all-terrain tire with this much tread, but they do, and we went ahead with the order. We have driven them about 500 miles now, and I wanted to go ahead and do an initial impressions video and then give updates every 10,000 miles or so, just to keep track of it for ourselves and to let other folks that are interested in them know how well they work. So far, they are amazing. Even on this lifted Jeep, the ride is smooth, they grip well, and best of all, they do not scream at you when you go down the road. Our exhaust is louder than the tires are, and as such, I have not even heard them. I have seen other reviews mention that they take about 1,000 miles to fully break in, but so far they have been great and worth every penny. Let's see if I still feel the same way 10,000 miles from now. If this is your first time here on the Hippie Geeks, it would be wonderful to have you subscribe. Hopefully digging into this tire review with us will help you decide if the Cooper Discoverer AT3 XLT is right for you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and check out our Patreon page or merch store to support the channel directly. Thanks again, and we will see you on the next one.